Today, we will start a new topic, that is probability. Probability means chance of an event to happen in future. An event that will not happen will have a probability 0, but an event that will sure to occur will have a probability 1. For example, if we roll a dice, the probability of getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 1, as one of the number is confirmed to come up. But the probability of getting 7 is 0, as that number is not in the dice. Thus, we can say that probability of an event can be from 0 to 1. That is 0 PE is less than or greater than 1. And the second conclusion can be probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. Here two terms has came. First is outcomes, which means the result of an experiment. The second term is favorable outcomes, which means the outcomes that we will be needed. We will take an example of a coin. A coin has two outcomes. First is the head and the second is tail. First, we will take a one coin. If we toss a coin, a single coin, there will be two outcomes. Either it will come head or it will come tails. But if we toss two coins, there will be more outcomes. Like in both the coins, 2 times head will come in both the coins. In first coin, head will come. In the second, tail will be coming. In the first, tail will come and the next one will be head. In both the coins, tail can become. In the third type, we will learn about the 3 coins to be tossed. When we toss 3 coins, the probability will be like this: HHH, HHT, HTH, TTH, HTT, THT, THH, TTT. Let's learn what is this. In both the 3 coins, the head is coming up. In first and second coin, head is coming, but in third is tail is there. In first, there is head, second tail, the third is showing head. First and second is showing tail, but the third one is showing head. First is showing head, the other 2 are showing tails. The first one is showing head, second is head, and the third is tail. And the seventh one will be tail, head, head. And the last, tail, tail, tail. There is one simple formula to calculate the number of favorable outcomes, that is 2 to the power n, where n represents the number of coins that we are tossing. Now we will take an example of a dice. If a single dice is rolled, then the probability will be coming of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be 6. But if 2 dice are thrown, the probability will be 36. There is one simple formula for the probability of getting of a dice. It is 6 to the power n, where n represents the number of dice rolled. Number of dice rolled. Now we will look upon the cards. As we all know that there are total 52 cards, and those 52 cards are divided into 2 sections. First in the red and then black. Both contains 13 cards each. Now the red ones have 2 parts. First is hearts. This one is 26 and this one is also 26. Hearts contain 13 cards, while the diamond contains 13 cards. So in the same way, the black cards are also divided into 2 parts. The first is clubs, which contains 13 cards, and the second is spades, which also contains 13 cards. There are 3 more cards present there. First is of kings, the second is queen, and the third is joke. Each cards are 4 numbers. That means there are 4 king cards, 4 queen cards and 4 of joker. Now let's have an example. Let's find out the probability that the card drawn is a king. So according to the formula, the probability of an event occurring is equal to the total number of favorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So the cards drawn are 4 upon total cards 52, which is equal to 1 upon 30. We will continue this topic in the next video. Thank you.